Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Pratham Fun Learning. Thank you so much for liking my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video. Friends, it's month of October and we will celebrate Halloween soon. I can already see some Halloween decorations in my neighborhood. One of the creatures that we see during Halloween is bats. So in this video, I am going to make a bat using some straws and other materials. Let's first talk about the materials that we need to make our bat. Number 1, different size straws. You can see that the colors are black and white. Number 2, 2 googly eyes. Number 3, the bat's wings and body. And number 4, a thread. First, let's arrange the pieces so that we know how to make the bat. We can see all the materials in proper order to make the bat. Let's the first wing of the bat to the body of the bat. Let's stick the white and black straws on the wings. We can see the first wing of the bat is ready. Now it's time to stick the other wing to the body of the bat. Time to stick the black and white straws to the other wing of the bat. Now the bat has both wings. Time to put the googly eyes. Let's put the thread into the bat's head. was a quick video about how to make a bat using straws. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye. Thank you.